Welcome back everyone. In this video, we will cover metacharacters and sequences and learn how to apply regex to solve real-world problems. So let's get started. In Python, a regular expression or regex is made up of two basic components. The first ones are literals. These are the actual characters that you are looking for within a given string. And second are metacharacters. These are the special symbols with specific meanings. Let us discuss a few commonly used metacharacters in Python. First of all, we have a dot, which is used to match any single character except a new line. Star is used to match 0 or more repetitions of the preceding element, while plus sign is used to match one or more repetitions of the preceding element. On the other hand, we also have a question mark, which is used to match 0 or 1 repetition of the preceding element. A pair of square brackets is used to match any one of the characters inside the brackets. Exponent symbol is used to match the start of the string. Dollar sign is used to match the end of the string, and piping symbol acts as an OR operator. For example, if we have A piping symbol B, then it matches either A or B. Regex patterns may also include special sequences. I am only discussing the most commonly used ones over here. First one is /b, which indicates the word boundary. That means we will check for a matching pattern at the beginning or at the end of the word. Then we have /d, which checks if the string contains digits, that means numbers from 0 to 9. /w is used to check for any word characters, which may include alphabets, digits or underscore, and /s is used to check if the string contains a white space character. Let us understand how to create regex patterns for different scenarios. Suppose that I have to match a string that starts with a capital letter, and my string is hello, how have you been? So in this case, my pattern will be created like this. I will type here R followed by quotation marks. Now before moving on, I want to tell you that we have used R because this will make the pattern a raw string. That means even if you include special sequences inside your pattern, those will not be escaped and they will not be treated as escape sequences. And now we want to check whether the string begins with a capital letter. That means we will use exponent symbol. So capital letter can be any uppercase alphabet from A to Z. So all of these will be included inside a pair of square brackets, and this becomes my pattern. Now I will store the result into a variable called result, and here I will call the match function since it is asking me to match the string. So match, and then type the name of the pattern followed by a comma and pass the name of your text, then print the result. So let's run the file. So we have found a matching object and the match is capital H. Alright, I want to show you that if you want to display this H as the part of the final output, then you can use the group function. This function retrieves the actual text of the first match found in the string, and let's run the code. So we have found H as the output this time. Moving on, my string is I am singing and dancing. So I will check if this string is ending with ing. It is already visible, but still we will have to use the regular expression. So my pattern will be R followed by quotation marks, and the string should be ending with ing, and ing should be present at the end. That means we will use the dollar symbol, and I am storing the result in variable x. I will call here the function search with pattern and txt, print the value of x, and run the file. So we have found a matching object ing which spans from location 21 to 24. Here is our next example. Here we have to find all words ending with ing in the given text. Once again I am taking the same text, and this time my pattern will look like this. We will begin with R followed by quotation marks. The word should end with ing, and we are checking the end boundary of the word. That is why I am putting /b at the end. First of all, we will run this pattern only. Let's store the result in x, and we will call the find all function. Here we will pass the pattern followed by text name and print x. Let's run the code, and in the output we have ing and ing. We are not getting the complete words. In order to get them, /w will be used, and there can be more than one letter, digit or underscore inside the word. So we will use the plus sign, and now if I run it, so I get the complete words singing and dancing. Now in this example, we have to find all the words in the given text. There are two ways to achieve it. First is to use the split function and second is to use the find all method. So let's do it using both methods. First of all, I am going to split the text using split function and store the result in variable x. So here I will call the split function and I will pass my pattern here. So let's say my pattern is r followed by a single white space. Now you can pass a blank space or you can also pass /s, which is also equivalent to single white space, followed by the name of your text, which is my text in this example, and then print the result as x. Let's run the file and we have a list of all the words making up this string. Now another method is to use the find all method. So let's say I store the result in variable y and I will call here find all, and this time my pattern will be r followed by /w, that is a collection of word characters, and there will be more than one word characters, so I will put a plus sign here. After that I will pass the name of my string, which is my text, and then print y and run the file again, and once again we have got the same result. I am singing and dancing. All of these words are stored in a separate list. Now in this example we have to search for strings containing a date in this given format. There are two such dates, but we have to retrieve them using regex patterns. So let's create the pattern here. We will type r followed by double quotation marks, and now let's see how to create this format. All of these are digits, so we will have to pass two consecutive digits first of all, that means /d and /d, or you can type it using quantifiers as well. That means to indicate two consecutive digits we can use a curly braces like this, and then we can pass here 2. That means we are having two digits. After that we have a hyphen, so just put a hyphen. Once again we have two consecutive digits which can be written as /d/d, or you can write them using quantifiers as 2 followed by one hyphen. We have four consecutive digits /d/d/d and /d, or you can reduce it using quantifiers to 4. Now we can store the result in some variable. Let's call it as dates, and here we will find all, pass the pattern, and after that pass the name of the text, then print dates, run the code, and in the output we get a list containing both these dates in the given format. Now here we have a few more examples of quantifiers with digits. Let us suppose I am given this text. Let's say I want to find all the strings containing double digits, and I can run it. So I have found the first value as 10, which spans from location 26 to 27. 28 will be excluded. I can also pass it as 2. Once again we get the same output. Let's suppose I want to find any string containing digits from, let's say, 3 to 5 digits. Minimum 3 digits, maximum 5 digits. I can change this search to find all, and let's see what is the output. So I have found all the numbers containing 3 to 5 digits. Here is an additional tip for you. You can also pass a pair of square brackets here in place of /d like this, and inside these you can pass digits from 0 to 9. This is also equivalent to /d, and it will give the same result as before. Let us suppose that inside the given string I want to match a string that begins with c.t, and here dot means any character in between c and t. So in this case my text is given and I will store the result using match function. Here I will pass the pattern, and my pattern says c.t followed by the name of my text, and then we will print the value of x. Let's run the file, and we have found the first match as cat, and yes, our string begins with cat. Find all the 3-letter words with this pattern, so I will place /b on both sides and replace here the match function with find all. Let's run the file, and we have got 3 words: cat, cut and caught. So here is a small practice exercise where you have to extract the email address from the given string using regex patterns. Share your solutions in the comment section below. If you learned something new today, then don't forget to hit the like button and share and subscribe my channel Programming Horizons for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.